Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I have two Salem Cruise Lite trailers sitting in the building here side by side, and I just wanted to kind of show you real quick two different models. One is more of a couples coach, rear living room, one slide out model, and the other is a bunkhouse family trailer. So we're going to spin through the outside here real quick of this first one here. It's called a 24RL XL Salem Cruise Lite. Not going to get into as much detail as I normally do in my longer videos, but I just wanted to show you these real quick. These are brand new 2022 units that just came in. These are already sold. The RV industry is sold out of a lot of stuff right now, but a lot of people are ordering and getting in their orders. Getting ready for next spring, basically. So just wanted to spin around here. Salem is a metal-sided, wood-framed camper. You do have things like power awning, enclosed underbelly. You got, gas water heaters, gas furnaces. They have 12-volt refrigerators. Sofa across the back on this one, again, rear living room model. Little U-shaped dinette slide out. There's some storage under the dinette. Electric fireplace here. This one has the ducted air conditioning feature. Got the Greystone oven there with a glass front, light built in. Currently using the Everchill 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. Little walk-in shower area here, bathroom area, foot flush toilet. Then you got your bedroom up front, basically a little walk-around camper queen bed. Bed does raise up, so there's some storage underneath of there as well. Closet over there. Decent size space here. There's storage under the sofa back here as well. Let's run over real quick. We're going to check out this other one. This again, another Salem Cruise Lite over here. This one's a little bit longer. This is the 273 model. Again, this is a two-bedroom, kind of a bunkhouse family style camper here. Metal sided. Again, power awning. Now this one was ordered with the optional power jacks, where the one we were just in a minute ago had the manual jacks with the JT Strong Arm model. Outdoor speakers, again, water heater. This one has the little gas griddle area here, little mini fridge, cold water spray port out here. Spare tire mounted on the back. The Salem Cruise Lites are pre-prepped for the Furrion observation camera. Those are pretty cool. If that interests you, definitely talk with your sales guy about that. That allows you to see behind you when you're driving down the road. Slide outs come pre-prepped for slide out awning toppers as well, if that interests you. Two 20-pound gas bottles on the front, power tongue jack. Front section is curved back pretty nicely to kind of make it a little bit more aerodynamic. Going on up in here real quick. Again, longer slides. You have the dinette and the sofa. And the little dinette actually makes either an L sofa or a U-shaped dinette. That back flips around. Storage under both sofa and dinette. Decent sized little kitchen area here. Again, you got the same Greystone glass front stove and oven and everything. 10.7 cubic foot Everchill 12-volt fridge, Greystone microwave, ducted air. A walk-in shower bathroom area here. Back here, you've got a little seating area back here that'll make into a bed. There's some storage underneath, or you have 3 bunks also. So you could sleep 4 or 5 people back here, or kids really, back here pretty comfortably. There is a little area right here as well, little TV hookups and stuff, USB charger ports. Again, you got that electric fireplace back here. Stereo system, works the indoor or outdoor speakers. Then you got your private bedroom area here as well. Hanging closet on each side. Again, that bed raises up, giving you some storage underneath. Little laundry hamper down there. There's an area up here where you could mount your TV to the wall if you wanted to. Do some TV watching in here. But overall, pretty cool little units. They have all kinds of different floor plans. You know, kind of fits a wide variety of sleeping arrangements and stuff. Again, guys, just real quick, want to thank you for taking the time to check out my videos. I'll do some more detailed videos on these models when I get some more time, but I wanted to throw these out there so these 2 customers could at least see what their campers look like before they pick them up. Thanks again, guys.